I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring power and safety. First, confirm the charger and cable are the exact type for your smartwatch. Incompatible pads can appear to charge but won't. Next, inspect the watch's contacts and the charger puck. Remove lint or corrosion with a soft brush or compressed air, because poor contact is the common culprit. Once done, plug into a known good wall adapter rated 5V/1A or higher. Make sure the adapter is wall-powered rather than an uncertain USB hub. Once initial checks pass, move to deeper diagnostics. If your model allows, power down and carefully open the case to reseat the battery or check its connector. Use anti-static handling and only if comfortable, because this addresses loose connections. Make sure to also attempt a forced reboot or recovery mode. Some watches refuse to charge when firmware is hung. Then test with an original or known good spare charger and note exact LED or screen responses, since those signs tell you whether the issue is hardware or software. To finish, decide based on your findings. If the charger and connectors are fine yet still no charge, arrange repair or battery replacement. Authorized service prevents warranty void. If rebooting and updates fixed nothing but the device responds, perform a factory reset after you back up your watch data via the companion app, because resets clear firmware corruption. If problems persist, provide the technician with documented behavior, charging attempts, and LED codes. This single tip speeds diagnosis and often saves you time and money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.